at that. It is time to wrap. You spread them pretty good. We have some tallow to make sure the bark is just kind of juicy too. Look at that.
Nuts.
Now we wrap this really good, nice and tight. See?
Like a baby.
My brisket, baby. Gotta be gentle with it. So once we wrap them, we'll put them back.
Okay.
And we'll let it finish off. It takes another maybe 2 hours, depending on the sizes.
So it's gonna get even more juicy.
It's gonna get juicy. It's gonna be tender. Yeah.
The smell is just, I can't
forget
get over the smell. Now we're going into the restaurant. The doors just opened up. There was already a line out there this morning, and it's only 10:18 a.m. We've seen lines that take a whole day.
Almost a whole day, yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
So this is the moment of truth right here. This is a finished brisket, and he's gonna cut into it.
So this is the perfect brisket. The layers of fat on the brisket, on the decal, you can actually see them. They're there.
He's got to cut up the lean part of the brisket because the other side of it is just full of juice. It would soak the whole sandwich.
I like that the bun is a potato bun. That's my favorite kind of bun for a burger or any kind of sandwich. First layer, sweet and tangy barbecue sauce.
Pickles and then some sliced onions there.
Brisket smacked on top. Nick, are we sharing this?
No, we'll get our own. We'll get our own. It's time to have what many call the best barbecue brisket sandwich in the world.
There. Brisket smacked on top. Nick, are we sharing this?
No, we'll get our own. We'll get our own. It's time to have what many call the best barbecue brisket sandwich in the world.
It looks like it.
The craziest part is not only did they give us our barbecue brisket sandwich, but they also said we couldn't come to Texas without having a giant meat platter with sides.
It's insane.
Mine with some homemade barbecue sauce. I'm feeling like a real Texan right now, Q. I'll be honest. Bang.
Cheers. Oh my gosh.
You don't even have to say anything. I know. I mean, hit me over the head with this giant beef rib and wake me up. This is just not real. This is not real.
ચાલ જવું હોય તો ચોકડી હા હું આવું તું આવતો ના એક્ટિવા લઈને સાવન તો ત્યાં આવું એક કામ કરું ઉબર હું તને લેવા આવું આપણે બંને જઈએ હું આવું છું ત્યાં આપણે બંને જઈએ હે સારું ચાલતો આવે છે હા એ હા બાય રાજા